In this video, I will show you how to solve Microsoft account login problem when we are trying to sign in. If you are trying to log into your Microsoft account, you will not be able to do so. Even though you have entered the correct password, it will now log you in. Even worse, it said that your password is incorrect. If many attempt entering your password, it will lock your account. You've tried to sign in too many times, with an incorrect account or password. This problem happens in everywhere. In mobile app, web browser, Windows PC, laptop, even Xbox console. It said, we can't sign you in. You've used an incorrect account or password too many times. If it's an organization account, it might not be active yet. In other places, it is said that you've tried to sign in too many times with an incorrect account or password. This is very frustrating, because we have already entered the correct password. If you experience this issue, don't worry. We can still log into our Microsoft account. So, we can log into our Hotmail, Outlook email, and Xbox services. To solve this error, follow these steps. First, try to sign in again. To make it easier, do it in web browser in your PC. Open Google search, then search Outlook. Here, try to log in using your username and password. Enter your username and password, and make sure you have entered the correct one. Enter your correct password. If this happens, you are not alone. This is the most common problem here. You have entered the correct password, but you cannot log in. You've used an incorrect account or password too many times. If you already have passwordless method, you can use it now. But, if you don't have any passwordless method like me here, there is no more option. The only option is just to reset your password, or to recover your account. To do that, just follow these steps. Click Reset Password button here. This is the account recovery page. Here, enter your email you have trouble to sign in. Click Next. Here, you need to verify your identity. If you already have email attached to this account, you are lucky. You can recover your account easier. Just insert your recovery email here and follow the recovery steps. But if you do not have any recovery email, press Show More Verification Methods here. If you have another verification methods, you can use that. Here, I have recovery email and phone number. You can choose recovery email or phone number to verify your identity. But if you do not have any methods, just press I don't have any of these button here. This is your last resort. You need to provide many information to verify your information. You need to insert email or phone you want to recover, contact email address, and enter the verification characters. Make sure you enter everything here correctly. Press Next. All the step here will be provided. Now, just check your contact email, and enter the code, and follow all of those steps provided. And now, you successfully log into your Microsoft account. You can log into your Microsoft account, and access your Hotmail, Outlook, and Xbox service.